Hello everyone, we're back and today we're making a egg and Vienna Smoortjie, a curried version that we grew up with. We made it all the time, our mommy. This was our go-to if we didn't want to cook a pot of food. No, Nadia? So Nadia's chopping half an onion. She's also going to chop up a small piece of garlic. The pan is heating up here on a medium heat, and then she's going to chop up some spinach leaves. Now in the olden days it was just the onion, the egg and the Venus and the jala, but we're going to add some greens to it, use up everything we have. I'll show there. That's fine, it doesn't have to be that small. Okay, now we're back to the pan. We're going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and some butter. And some butter. Look as jy weer hou te lepel Nadia gebruik. So that's going to melt. We also have some peppers, leftover green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. Klein stukkies of it, so we cut it up. We're going to fry that with the onion. We've got salt. We've got some black pepper. We've got some masala. My masala you can use for my fish masala, you can use for my chicken masala, you can use for my biryani masala, my masala mix. You can use for my even my steak or lamb chop spice, any spice you like. There's no rules here. And a little bit of turmeric, because it's a smoortjie, the more curried version. Okay, so now we're gonna add. Nou dat jy kan maar hoor as het of wat? Klein beetje hoor as het, ja. Do you want any chili or this?
Maybe we should put some crushed chilies.
Put little crushed chilies in. I asked them to put my chilies outside to dry it out, so I can make some crushed chilies and some chili powder in the grinder. Die wind het so gewaai to fly die chilies van hier tot Paspak toe. Gooi maar in, ja. Okay, now we're going to add the half onion and a little bit of garlic. This is all this is aromatics to give that flavor to the simple smoortjie. Now you can have this for breakfast, brunch, lunch or supper. What we're going to serve with this is a nice cranberry loaf that we're going to toast. Put some butter on, and we're going to put from the smoortjie on top and eat it. That will be our brunch. Okay, now there's even in. Gooi maar dit, yes, a pinch of crushed chilies. That's going to just turn this reddish as well. The peppers are going in. So you want to fry it, because if you don't fry this long enough, you're going to end up with a lot of moisture and quite a wet egg. And then you'll see moisture running from the finished product. Like you dish up and you see water. And that's because you didn't fry this long enough. So we're going to take our time of frying that. The spinaches can also go in to get rid of the moisture in the spinach. As jy die wijn is nog slim. You can chop the Viennas any way you like, Nadia. This is the chicken and cheese Viennas. Wil jy dit kleiner sê, want ons gaan mos nou op die brood sit.
Oh, het is te lang.
Ja, sê maar kleiner.
Het reg is.
Ja.
Kom maar, proef.
Sê maar kleiner, ja, because I'm going to be brood sit. So it's going to go for 5 minutes or so, and we'll be right back. Okay, the viennas has been chopped up. I'm going to add it to the mixture of the onions and garlic. The smell is amazing. How did you in here? You must once sing a number for the people, man. A song. What song do you normally sing at karaoke?
All at once. But it's not all at once, it's all at once.
Okay. All at once. Do you know all the words?
No. I only know all at once.
But maak jy die woorde op soos jy sing karaoke?
Ja.
Okay.
Tina gooi.
Me too.
Anyway.
Okay.
I know you do that, yes.
Okay. Now we're going to add the spices and a little salt. Pinch of salt. You can always add later again. We don't want salty food. Add some black pepper to your taste. Some turmeric. And some masala. Gooi hom. Okay. Now lekker stir. So we fry this lekker Nadia, and once the egg is added, you will lower your heat a little bit. And then that starts frying with. We're just going to let that go for a few minutes, and then we're going to add the egg. Okay, now we've got 8 eggs. So that was 8 Viennas, no?
Yeah.
Oh, 10 Viennas, and we've just klitst 8 eggs. Klitst. That's like 8 eiers of 10 eiers.
Dis 10 eiers.
Sorry, 10. Because we're going to make a few sandwiches as well for Taima en John. Ek kan nou daar kan maar ingaan. So die hitte af of laag. And now we go. Yummy in looky, Shelly. Yummy in my tummy. Weet jy die AMC potter, it's so nice, this AMC potter. You can literally switch off the heat and it will cook the eggs finished. Sit maar die van nou heeltemal af. Okay, and it will now just cook lekker. And guys, if you want to at this stage, you can add some cheese if you like. Melted cheese, some mozzarella, whatever you like. Jalapenos. Make it your own Smoortjie egg and Vienna Smoortjie. Okay, next we're gonna toast the bread and we're gonna dish up. Okay guys, so here it is. And we just throw a little dhania on. There it is. En ek gaan nou gou 'n foto vat aan die ander kant. And we're also gonna eat. Okay, here we go. En Louis ook alweer hier Nadia. Louis, gaan man. Okay, oma. Shukran. Een beetje rooibos thee en een beetje koffie. Okay, had je melkjes bij jou niet?
Ja, had jy joune?
Niet zo.
Okay.
That's fine. And here's our meal. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna sit down now and enjoy ourselves. Take the tripod. Kleiner maak. And there you have it. Egg in Vienna Smoortjie with cranberry toast and butter. Some lekker tea, lekker coffee. And we're gonna now get it in. Jy kan maar begin, Nadia.
Ek gaan nou want ek is nogal.
Ek het verlooi in sy bliksem.
Bismillah wa barakatillah. Bismillah.
Bismillah. Lekker, hè?
Met die smoortjie.
Perfect combo.
Waar's mami nou? Ja,
Yeah.
very nice.
Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video and we'll be back again with another video soon. And don't forget to subscribe, people. It's free. So when you subscribe, then you get notified about the next video that's coming out. Then you don't miss out on any videos. Okay? Tell your friends and family. Subscribe. Okay. Bye, everyone. Love you guys. Nadia.
Bye, salam.
Alaikum.